Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will share you beautiful stone crafts ideas. I will share you the friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. And friends, stone candle holder. Take small stone and glue them around a glass. Place a candles inside it. Look warm and beautiful. Perfect for home decoration. Follow for more creative ideas. And friends, second idea is weavers. Ladybug stone. Paint the stone red. Add black dots and a small face. So simple and fair. You can see it in your garden. And weavers, and friends, friends, stone flower art. Take a small stone and clean it. Use bright color to paint small flowers and leaves and tiny dots. Let it dry. Now your beautiful stone art is ready.